Saudi Arabia has been proposed as a location for construction of massive turtle-shaped yacht dubbed Pangaeos. If the project is constructed, it will become the biggest sea vessel ever built, essentially a massive floating city. Pangaeos is named after Pangaea, a supercontinent that existed roughly 200 million years ago. The project has been designed and proposed by the Italian design studio Lazzarini. The proposed dimensions for Pangaeos are truly gigantic. If built, a vessel would be the largest ever constructed. The current title holder for the world's biggest yacht in the German-built Azam at 180.61 meters. It's nothing but 595.55 feet long. The biggest sea vessel ever constructed was the Seawise Giant built by the Japanese firm Sumitomo Heavy Industries. Its length was 458.45 meters, that is 1504.10 feet. The Pangaeos would be ever bigger than both of these giants. Its proposed dimensions are a length of 550 meters, that is 1800 feet, and the width of 610 meters, that is 2000 feet. The massive sea vessel will function as a floating city. There will be the enough space for hotels, shopping centers, parks, and other public spaces. Lazzarini claims that Pangaeos will be able to accommodate 60,000 guests plus an unspecified number of crew members and staff. On each side wing of Pangaeos would be the space for 19 villas and 64 apartments. 72 terraces will be available on the rooftop shell. Some will have sea views, whereas others will overlook the vessel's central port area. Unlike a traditional cruise ship or yacht, the Pangaeos itself would be the star destination. It is expected to have a speed of just 5 knots, is nothing but 5.7 miles per hour or 9.2 kilometers per hour. The vessel's slow and steady speed is unsurprisingly given its great size. Guests wishing to travel between the Pangaeos and other locations will have the option to use either another sea vessel or aircraft. A port will be constructed on board for other boats, and an upper shell area will grant access to flying vehicles. It will be equipped with virtual endless green energy supplies. The engine is likely to draw its power from ocean waves and the solar panels covered roof. Unsurprisingly, building a massive floating city is not expected to be cheap. Lazzarini estimates that an investment of $8 billion will necessary for Pangaeos to become a reality. Lazzarini says construction would take 8 years. Finding a suitable space large enough for such a colossal construction project is a challenge in and of itself. Designers at Lazzarini have postulated that Saudi Arabia might be an appropriate location. If the Saudi Arabian government agrees, a site at King Abdullah Port has been identified by designers as a feasible location for the mega project. Roughly 1 square kilometer of space in the sea would need to be dredged for construction to begin. A circular dam would be used to control water levels at the construction site. For now, Pangaeos remain very much in the conceptual phase. One day, however, construction of the futuristic floating city might begin in Saudi Arabia. If you like this video, then like and share, and to watch other interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. If you